Hey, long time no talk. About a week, I would say. I'm not gonna edit this video because there's no point of it because there's no topic. And yeah, okay. Basically, this week, we didn't make a topic because it's not that we keep forgetting. It's that there are too many things to do. I don't know. Like it's really weird, but yeah. I mean, today we had a state test. Sorry, I just tried curling my hair. Yeah. Let me stop being retarded. Today we had a state test. And last night we all stayed up doing some stuff. Nobody had time to make a topic video, which I really should have made today, but I didn't because I'm retarded and I suck at life. So yeah, basically. But there's not going to be a topic video this week. There's definitely going to be one next week. I just looked on WeCollab and we have like some more subscribers, which is awesome because I like subscribers. I really do. And I love all of you so much. So I would really appreciate it if all those followers that I love so much, I will give you guys a virtual cookie. If you put a topic that you would want us to do, you either message us about it or you comment about it. Right there. Right below there. Where the comment box is. Yeah, I need a bobby pin, which I can't find right now. Because my room is messy. But yeah. So, just do that and it'll be really cool. We haven't made one in a couple of weeks. I'm so sad because I miss WeCollab. I love it so much. So yeah. Well, I love you guys, and I have a Daily Boost, and I need more followers on Daily Boost. I only have 13. It really sucks. Gabby also needs more followers. So yeah, do that. I love you guys. Mwah. Comment below, and my Daily Boost will be there or there, wherever the hell it is. So yeah, peace. Love you guys. Mwah. And keep subscribing.